Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Jackie YBT, Tech Away Tech Everything. Welcome to my channel. For those who just subscribed to this channel is dedicated to 4 things: tech, tutorial, food, and entertainment. So tech, like review, unboxing, hands-on, setup, etc. A tutorial can be how to install certain things or food related tutorial, and food like mukbang, food review, all those stuff, and also entertainment like reaction videos. So welcome once again. And today I'm gonna do a tech video, unboxing and review of this Philips Momentum wire gaming mousepad with RGB. The model name is SPL7204. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So if you guys watch my video quite often, you will notice that I removed my IKEA test pad. Yeah, I removed that to replace with this Philips Momentum. Okay, I'm pretty sure many people have the same reaction as me. I mean, Philips making gaming peripherals. I mean, what? Seriously? It's like, in my perception of Philips, I always think that Philips is a company who make like home appliance like toaster. So when it comes to gaming, it's like, what? I kind of shocked a bit, but at the same time also expected, because the gaming industry is growing every single year. Like more and more newcomers get into gaming world. So it's hard to not follow the market. I'm not complaining, you know. More competition means better for the consumer. More competition, better quality products, and also lower the price. So welcome to the market, welcome to the game, Philips. Okay, so let me unbox it first. They also make their own gaming mouse, mechanical keyboard, headset, and etc. Not just a mouse pad. So they have a full set of gaming peripherals. Okay, check it out now. Philips. Oh, check it out. Okay, pretty long. So what you get out of the box, of course, the first thing will be the mouse pad, and second will be the cable itself. This is the braided cable, so very good quality cable, very thick. You don't have to worry it will break easily, so you can bend it no problem. So the output will be like normal USB type A, and the input will be the micro USB. There are also some documentation. The first thing will be the product support, give you some information you can contact to the customer service in different country. Okay, yeah. Next will be the user manual, the picture of the product, and also the model number. There's some basic information about the product in different languages. Basically the product size, current, how you use it, the wire USB. Okay, nothing much. And last but not least will be the warranty card, more like a warranty paper in 2 languages, English and Mandarin. Okay, and that's it. So the controller will be at the left hand side. Usually mouse pad like this, the controller will be in the middle, but Philips decided to put it at the side. It depends. Some user like it, the controller place it in front, like in the middle, so they can route the cable towards their PC in this way. But it depends how you set up your PC. For me, I prefer in the middle, but it's not a big of a deal. I can sort it out by tie it up with a Velcro strap or whatever, but never mind. So how you plug it is very simple. As you can see, there's 2 USB. This one is the input one, the micro USB. Okay, so the power, you plug it here. And this one is USB 2.0. So you can plug your pen drive or mouse. You provide an additional USB, which is a good thing. Okay, once done, I'm gonna plug it to my USB hub. I'm gonna plug it to there. So this is the output. By the way, I did a video about this Oracle transparent USB hub with 7 USB 3.0. You guys can go check it out, that video. Okay, so now I plug it in. Oh, look at that, boy. Look at that. The color is very vibrant. It's not very bright, like super bright. I would say the brightness is just enough. It won't like blind my eyes, which is a good thing. I don't like RGB light to be too bright. So how you change the setting is pretty simple. Just touch this button. It's not a physical button, it's more like a touch sensitive button. So you just tap, the color will change. So I turn off the main key light because the main key light causing certain area overexposure, especially the RGB lighting area. Okay, so right now color will look more pop out and more accurate, but with the limitation of my camera right now, I'm using the 700D. There's certain color appears to be a bit washed out. If you look at it like in your face, the color is much more saturated. So yeah, bear in mind with that. Okay, so right now this mode is the rainbow cycle mode. You just touch it, you don't need to press it hard. The second one is like a very slow transition colors to colors. The top part will be the orange and then slowly change it to like green and then cycle through every single color very slowly. So this one, the same thing, you just do it the opposite way. So instead of blue first, now it's the red first and then going back. Okay. Next thing will be solid. No, this is the breathing effect first, then solid static color. Okay, right now it's breathing effect. Okay, so right now it's solid static color: red, orange, yellow, green, light green, blue, light blue, pink. That one is purple. Okay, this one is pink. Okay, sorry, white, light red, and then go back to the rainbow cycle. When you get out of the box, the first thing you will see the rainbow cycle effect, and then you just press and cycle through different lighting effect. Yeah, pretty cool. There's no software where you can control the lighting effect, so it's just hardware. You just press and then it will save the setting. Let me set it to this color. You guys can remember. Later I will move it to my another PC to see whether the smart memory feature functioning or not. Right now I'm gonna turn off my roof light to show you the brightness of this mouse pad. Okay, as you can see, like I mentioned it earlier, it's not too bright, it's just enough for my taste. It won't blind your eyes once again. Pretty good. The color is very saturated, vibrant, and there's no light bleed as far as I can see right now. Okay, pretty good. That's my Razer Adapter Essential. I did a review and unboxing video of that mouse. You guys can go check it out also. So yeah, pretty sexy here. I'll shoot more close-up shot for you guys to see it right now. So I don't have ultra wide camera lens, so this is what I can come out with, so please bear with me. To give you an idea how big is this mouse pad, I'm gonna bring in my Logitech MK345 Comfort keyboard. This is a full-size keyboard. It's not small by any means. And next thing will be I put it here with my mouse. As you can see, there's still a lot of space going around. You see, this is my right hand, and then I can move it around. There's tons of room for me to move around, and I still got a lot of space on my left hand and the bottom part. So It's big and I like it very much. I'm pretty sure this will help me to improve a lot in my CSGO, FPS game. And the second thing I want to talk about is this is very comfortable to touch with. The texture is very soft, smooth. My palm tend to sweat a lot. I don't feel any slippery, kind of anti-sweat, this and that. Okay, another thing I want to show you. Okay, it's pretty dark here. The bottom part is like a rubber finish, so it prevents the mouse pad from moving around. You keep it tactile. Pretty good. Did a pretty good job on that. It hardly moved. I try to push it. Yeah, that's my thoughts on the stability and the comfort wise. Pretty good. Approved. Price, like I mentioned earlier, 60 to 65, and there's a version where it comes with 4 USB ports. That one is around 80 bucks, and slightly more expensive. Same size, is just provide more USB, and this one is just one USB 2.0. If you want that version, you can go look it up. Okay, so right now I'm bringing out my MacBook Pro 13-inch. So I'm gonna unplug from my PC first, and then I'm gonna plug it to my MacBook Pro. Okay, yeah, it doesn't show the first rainbow effect. It shows the second effect. Yeah, indeed, smart memory function is working as advertised. So good, pretty good. I like it. It saves a lot of times to readjust the mode again when you want to move your mousepad to another PC. You want to use it on another PC. Okay, so comes to the end of the video. Should you buy this Philips Momentum RGB mousepad? Well, in terms of price, that time I got it for like around 55, 56 ringgit because there's a promotion, 10/10 promotion. 10th of October, so that's why I go with this. That's one of the reasons. The second reason is there's not many video on YouTube about this product, mostly in different languages like Bahasa Indonesia, European language, Spanish or Portuguese. I saw a few of them. There's not many English video about this product, so that's why I choose this. In my first thought, I was going to buy the Fantech Firefly 800 series, but yeah, like what I mentioned just now, so I decided to go for Philips and give it a try. If you are a person who like having the same brand for every single gaming peripherals, for example Razer keyboard, Razer mouse, and then Razer headset, and if you're that kind of person, I don't really recommend you go with the Philips one, because Philips other product, although I still haven't tried it, looks good, but if you want to compare with big brand like Logitech, SteelSeries, yeah, there's still a gap to it. The price, of course, the price are also quite different. Philips is more compete with the cheaper brand like Fantech, Armageddon, and so on. For me, I just don't care. I just get product has the better deal and I will get it. If the product is good, then I will just get it. I don't care about like to have a series of same brand to synchronize every single thing. That's just not my thing. I'm more like a cost to performance ratio person. So yeah, if you're like me, I think you should go with this mousepad when there's a discount. Of course, there's a lot of cheaper option like those not popular brand. Some even there's no brand on it. Usually cost 20 to 30 ringgit cheaper. But when it comes to warranty, those not famous brand, they have a problem with provide warranty. So if anything happened to your product, you very hard to find a service like after service. That's why I go for like Philips. Third reason, okay. So Philips is a popular brand, well-known brand. So yeah, so that's my conclusion. Always do your research when it comes to prices and the product. That's about it. Subscribe if you like this kind of content. Share it to your friends and family. Comment down comment section below. Donate to my PayPal account to help support this channel. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.